Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a Boxy charm unboxing for you. Thank God I got this in the mail on Saturday, which was the 24th. Last month was my first box and I got it on the 31st. So I'm super excited. It's a good thing that it came before the end of the month and I'm able to film it in the month that I got it. So if you want to see this unboxing, then just keep watching. Okay, so last month I didn't show you this that you get in every Boxy charm. So it's just kind of a little pamphlet, and this box, they're always called something. So this one's called Gold Digger, and it tells you everything that you get in the box. So I've already opened it because I wanted to make sure I was able to open things as I show them to you, because then it just becomes a battle between me and the packaging. So the first thing that I got are these Lexi brushes, and I actually love Lexi brushes, and these are super pretty. This is the Lexi Luminous Eye Set, and it values at $21, and it says these are Donna's fave. So I'm assuming Donna works for Boxy charm. So, and it comes in this little resealable bag. And this is exactly why I open things, because packaging is always a fight. Okay, there we go. So it's just resealable. So they're super pretty. They're gold and sparkly, and a lot of them. So the two middle ones are like detailed brushes, which are really nice, since the all the rage is to, you know, smoke out your lash line. So you definitely can use that, and for detail work. These look like they would be great for crease and for applying eyeshadow to your lid. So those are the Lexi brushes, and those are valued at $21. So that's awesome. Already I'm loving this Boxy charm box more than I liked my last month's box. So the next thing is this eye pencil, and I actually used it already. I opened it because they're super hard to get open, and I'm gonna swatch it for you. And it's black and it's glittery, so I'm not sure if you could see that, but it's super cool. And it goes on creamy, but it like dries right away. And the only way you could take it off is when you use makeup remover or water. So it actually stays on really nice, super pretty. And this is by Jonte Blue. I've never heard of that company, but it's a glittering star eyeliner, and it retail value is $5. So yeah, and then you can, this is Carl's fave. Not sure if I'm saying that right. Next is a brush cleaner. So it's Bodyograph Pro Makeup Brush Cleaner. Now I haven't tried this yet. This values at $12. So we can give that a try. It says that you can use it to deep clean your brushes, or you can use it to kind of give it a touch up. So you'd spray your brush a little bit and then either rub it around like on a paper towel or something like that, and then get your brushes clean until you can actually deep clean them. So we'll give this a go and see how this works. This is super cool. So these are the Cover FX glitter drops, and let me see, it's in the color Nova, and this is valued at $44. So this is a full size Cover FX drops. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Here, let me put that in front of me. So I'm going to try this on my hand. Really pretty. Wow. Oh my gosh. Super duper glittery. Let me see there. Can you see that? Whoa, right there. All right, I'm gonna try some on this cheek, because I still have a ton here. So, wow. It's really pretty. I don't think I've had these drops before. I don't think I would probably wouldn't spend $44 on drops, but it's super duper nice. Okay. I see you, Cover FX, and this would last you forever. Like, seriously. So that's awesome. Good job, BoxyCharm. Okay, last but not least, you know, they always give out a palette, and this one is by Ace Butte. I think that's how you say it. Ace Butte or Beauty Grandiose Palette, and this retails for $24.99. It has 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold matte shades. So it says it has everything you need to do a look, which I agree. I've seen it and I think this is really pretty and I'm super excited to use it. Look at those colors. Aren't those pretty? Like pink, the pinks right now are super in and look really nice. And then the browns, golds and coppers, definitely yes. And then these cream tans right here, and you can't tell that they're brown, but those are browns. This is a really awesome palette, so I can't wait to use this. And yeah, for $24.99, that's awesome. Let's swatch some of these colors just so we can see like the pigmentation. So this one is Primrose. Oh, nice. They swatch super nice. This one is, oh wow, Cinnamon. And wow, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Myrtle, that one's Myrtle. And wow, that's Poppy. So look at those 4. Aren't those pretty? Oh my gosh. I can't wait to use this palette. It is so flippin' pretty, right? Okay, I think this is one of the best makeup palettes that I've seen. Yeah. All right, guys, that is all I got in my BoxyCharm. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, why not? And then if you haven't hit the bell button, hit the bell button so that when I upload a video, you'll be notified every time I do. All right, guys, I will catch you in my next video. Aloha, guys.